Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today, let's make cheesy shepherd's pie in a very easy way. For that, mash 400 grams of peeled and boiled potatoes and add 1 tablespoon of thinly chopped onions. Then add 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese and around 20 grams of butter. Give it a good mix and add 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk. Mix it and add salt and pepper. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already and hit the bell icon as well. Okay, now in a wok add 1 tablespoon of oil and saute 1 big chopped onion. Stir a little and add 300 grams of minced lamb or mutton to it. Saute in high flame so that the raw color fades. Now add 3 cloves of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Give it a good mix and add 2 tablespoons of refined flour. Mix them well and then add the vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Here I have used carrots, green peas and sweet corn. Mix it a little and add 1 cup of chicken broth to it. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or till it is dry. Add salt if needed. Now take an oven-safe bowl and start making the layers. First will be the lamb layer. Flatten it with a spatula, then get the cheese and potato mixture. Flatten it as well. Place cheddar cheese sliced. You can use grated or diced cheddar if you like. Now we will be baking it for around 20 minutes at 180 degrees in a preheated oven. Wow! Look at it! The crust is already golden brown, which means it's ready to be served with dinner rolls. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.